In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprotect sheet in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a protection rule from a sheet or a specific range, so you can edit freely again. Quick note before we start, you'll need editor access to the file to do this. If you don't have permission, these options will be grayed out, and you'll need to ask the file owner to change the settings. First, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet where you're running into the protected content. Make sure you're in the correct tab if the protection applies to a particular sheet, or scroll to the area if it's a protected range. This helps you confirm you're removing the right rule later on and prevents accidental changes. Next, open the Protected Sheets and Ranges panel. In most cases, you'll find it by clicking the Data menu at the top, then selecting Protected Sheets and Ranges. This opens a sidebar on the right. If the sidebar doesn't appear immediately, wait a moment for it to load, especially on larger files. This panel is where every protection rule that's been set up on the file is listed. Now select the range or sheet you want to unprotect. In the sidebar, you'll see entries that might include a description, the type of protection, and the targeted cells or sheet. Click the one that corresponds to the protected area you want to remove. If you're unsure, use the details shown, like the sheet name or cell range, to match what you see on your screen. Selecting the entry will highlight the range or point you to the correct sheet, which is a good way to double check you've got the right one. Once you've selected the correct protection rule, click the trash icon in the sidebar. This icon removes that specific protection rule. It does not delete any data. If there are multiple rules, you'll need to remove them one at a time, so repeat this process as needed. After clicking the trash icon, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Finally, click Remove to confirm. The protection will be deleted and the sheet or range will immediately become editable for anyone who already has editor access to the file. This change doesn't alter who can access the document. It only removes the editing restriction on that area. If you ever need to restore protection, you can come back to this panel later and create a new rule. That's it. Open your file, go to Protected Sheets and Ranges, choose the right rule, click the trash icon, and confirm Remove. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.